Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for DXY, or the US dollar currency index. I'll cover web analysis with Elliott Waves theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on higher time frame on daily, overall what we are at is that we have created this 1-2 here on primary scale or primary degree, another 1-2 here on intermediate. Then that intermediate 3-4 is already done, and now looking for that intermediate 5 to be completed. That would also complete the third of primary count, and then we would be correcting down for possible wave 4. Now, if we are zooming in a bit, let's go to 1 hour. Here is again that third of intermediate and fourth of intermediate, and then since then again we've been looking for higher prices to create a fiber structure upwards. Now at this moment I'm still thinking that this whole thing was just a wave 1 of minor, wave 2, and then looking for 3, 4 and 5. Now at this moment, if we are looking at the current wave structure, we could be saying that this is a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with an ending diagonal. Now the third wave would get well beyond the 1.618 to the 2.236, which is fine. This third wave's substructure is looking pretty okay as itself. No complaining about that. But the issue I have with this count is that we have this as an ABC. Don't mind the trend lines here, it's just another thing I was looking at. The thing here is that we retrace beyond the 0.5 retracement of this third wave. Now that is not very common. Again, the invalidation would be all the way down here at $110, where the wave 1 top is. So in reality, there's nothing really bad about this count. It's just a bit extended the C wave. Oh, well, not just the C wave, the whole structure basically. Because again, if we are looking at this whole structure, we can see that it hit the 1-to-1 exactly there. And yeah, that is pretty good looking thing here. And yeah, we do have a very good alteration between the fourth here and the second. The second this time being very sideways, and this fourth being very, very deep and very fast. So there is very good alteration between these two counts, although we did get a bit lower than we would expect. Now, what's the next spot, or what is the next thing to expect is this wave 5. Now 1-to-1 extension of this wave 3 here, wave 1 would be only getting to the less than $113 and less than the top we already made. So I don't consider that as a possibility. The first target for me would be the 1.618 extension here, $115.3 would be the first thing. Now if wave 5 is going to be extending as well, we would be getting another target here at 2.618. Now this would fit the target of this higher degree, minor 1, very perfectly. This would be wave 1, 2 and 3. You see the 1.618 is right there, where we have the 2.618 here. That is very good confluence to me. So we'll see how this turns out, this possible 5-way move from the lows. If it turns out to be a 5-way structure, and then we can look for that pullback, we can be starting to trade this on either the Euro USD pair, or just based on the other stocks and going long on those if there is setups in them as well, showing us potential of shorts. Now again, Euro USD pair is very inverse correlated here, so if we are looking for longs here, we would be shorting the Euro against the USD. But yeah, at the moment, I'm not in any Euro USD or DXY plays. At the moment, I'm just playing the assets by themselves. Because again, yesterday, what we had here was a dump on DXY and a dump on S&P 500 and all the US indices. So again, they were not inverse correlated. So yeah, that has to be kept in mind sometimes that although these generally are inverse correlated, not always they are, especially on smaller time frames. Now, again, what I'm expecting is 5-way structure to form, looking for a 3-way pullback, and then looking for some kind of play to be made. Whether it's just on these very small time frames, if I can catch a retracement, or whether it's just going to be forming something like this, taking out the possible previous highs and then looking for retracement and continuation, then could be another setup there. Well, I hope this video was of use to you. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.